Yesterday we discussed few points. Some of you came up with a wonderful idea that AI is somewhere helping us to know the cyclones. And it is also able to, it is also helping us to know the cyclone speed, the sunset, what could be the temperature in the next 7 days. Have you seen the weather data? You can see not only today, not only tomorrow, for the next 7 days you can see what is going to happen. And as per my knowledge, it is around to be 50 to 60% it is correct, right? If it is written that it is going to rain tomorrow, so it might not rain, but you would be able to see the clouds. And it might not rain tomorrow, but the next day morning it might rain a few bit, okay? But it happens. That means we are somewhere able to detect the atmospheric temperature, pressure and everything, right? So now if in case we want to make the project related to weather, okay, so how can we make? Have you heard of Internet of Things, IoT? Right? So this is similar to that, not exactly Internet of Things, but I'll show you how exactly you can work with it. So although it looks very simple, because direct implementation of weather data extension might not give you the big project or an amazing project, but you can use this and make so many things. So now I'll explain you all the details of this extension. As I mentioned, I won't be making projects out of it because this is a direct implementation of the blocks. So I'll show you how exactly it works. So the first thing, do you know what is latitude and longitude?
Yes, sir.
Anyone would like to tell me what is latitude and longitude?
The latitude means imaginary horizontal lines and longitude means
Oh, so sorry. Please.
So latitude means
Tell to
imaginary.
your friends. Comment center.
Latitude means imaginary horizontal lines on earth and longitude means imaginary vertical lines on earth.
Okay. Do we all agree with our friend?
Yes.
Paka? Okay, so I'll try to show you this. Just give me a second. Latitude is horizontal or vertical? And longitude? Okay, so these are the imaginary lines so that we can locate each and every position. So like every position can on the earth can be defined with a latitude and a longitude. Similar to the coordinate system which we follow x and y direction. Right? So now, like even this particular center, SCERT center, if you see on Google, you would be able to find the latitude and the longitude of this particular center as well. Okay? Similarly, like if I say, have you seen drones working and delivering the medical things or something like that? Drones. Do you know what are drones?
Yes, sir.
Have you seen, not even in real, but in movies or in some videos, have you seen?
Yes, sir.
Have you seen sometimes they travel from so far, but get I should say, lands themselves at a particular location where they want to deliver a certain thing. So all those things work with the latitude and longitude. A certain latitude and a longitude is fixed. Like if in case I want pizza to be delivered for all of you at this particular place. So I'll ask the drone to please deliver me a 7, 10, 12, 40 pizzas to be delivered at this particular latitude and longitude. Because there might be a chance there can be 2 or 3 different SCERT offices, right? There might be chance there is a very small difference. but the latitude and the longitude is going to be one only, right? So have you all understood about latitude and longitude?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If we want to get a weather data, okay, of Goa Porvorim, I think this is Porvorim, right? Okay, so there are many different places in Goa, right? We have Porvorim, we have Panji, we have Kalangut, Baga, means I know these places. Okay, so these are of course at a different latitude and longitude. Now just if you will overview this, like Goa is at a one latitude longitude, okay? Then if I take a different city out of Ahmedabad, so let's take not I should say a city out of Ahmedabad, but we have a state Gujarat, right? So from there Ahmedabad is a place that would be having one latitude longitude. I stay in Madhya Pradesh in Jabalpur, that would be having a different latitude and longitude. Do we all agree? So in Google you can directly find the latitude and longitude of a particular location. So what you have to do is, whenever you are working with this particular extension, you have to find the latitude and the longitude from the internet. So here you can have to give an input of latitude and longitude. Okay? So would you like to work on this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I don't know, just I'll check. I'll give you the latitudes and longitudes which you have to use. Tell me one place for which you would like to know the weather. Tell me one place, name of a place for which you would like to know.
Rajasthan.
Rajasthan, Panjim and sorry? Vasco, okay. Any other?
Mangeshi.
Karnataka, okay. Okay, that's great. So, Delhi, okay. More?
Mangeshi.
Kolkata. Sorry? Bihar, okay.
Sir, Jammu and Kashmir.
Okay. Jammu Kashmir. Assam. Okay. So out of it, actually let's see of Jammu Kashmir, right? Because every time we think of roaming outside in India, so we have two places. One is Goa, and for me, like I'm not from Goa, so I belong to Madhya Pradesh. So whenever I have a word with my friends, let's go somewhere outside to roam. So they say let's go Goa or let's go Shimla or like Jammu Kashmir. So we are already in Goa, we already know the weather. So now let's find the weather for Jammu and Kashmir. Okay? We have to write latitude and longitude of Jammu and Kashmir. So you will be able to see this. Can you all see this? You have to copy this from here. Paste it here. And even if you don't require the end part, just copy this. Paste it here. So now what I have to do is, see, we don't need this degree symbol. Okay, now if I click on this, so it will run and it will say done. So I can check. So I think Ramban is some place in Jammu and Kashmir. So we can check if I can just give you. The town in Ramban district of. Did my picture block gave it correctly, Ramban? Now you can check the temperature there. In Celsius. Oh my God, the temperature, can you see the temperature? What is the temperature? 7.60. Okay. Even we can check the wind speed. Okay, and we can also check the sunset time. Okay, we can check the weather. It's clear, means there is no cloud and all there. We can check the pressure. We can check the percent of humidity. I'm just trying to find maximum. There is a maximum here. So let's see what's the minimum Celsius, minimum temperature. 7.60. So as we know, the Jammu and Kashmir is very cold place, right? So right now, or you can say the minimum temperature at that place is 7.60 degrees Celsius, right? So see, we are all able to, by sitting here, right? We can find these many characteristics of a weather using this weather extension data. But how can we use it? Have you ever thought? This would tell, not tomorrow, it won't tell, it will tell you the current version. For tomorrow, basically, you have to create a weather API. Okay, from there you can work for the prediction purpose. Okay, so but how can we work on it? We can work on it as, like we can make conditions. If the temperature goes below 5 degrees, right? Let us know about it. Just send a message to everyone, your close friends, or just play the buzzer, right? Similar type of projects you can make out of this weather extension data. So this gives you an basically idea of the different, the temperature, the weather, the wind speed, the sunset, sunrise time, and all the pressure, the humidity with the latitude and longitude. Okay? Have you all understood about this? Yes. Any confusion? So message cannot be sent through the pictograph, but we can make an animation that I am sending a message to my friend, something like that. Okay. So for sending messages, basically you would require some external hardware to attach to the pictograph, and using that you can send the messages. So shall we move ahead and learn about NLP? Have you heard this word NLP? NLP. Have you ever heard of NLP? Extension, of course. Okay, so just refresh this. Just give me a second. Okay.